Good morning, students. This is the second part of the story Stone Soup in Bohemia. The villagers are attracted towards him. He tells the soup will taste better with a bit of garlic and carrot and suggests addition of cauliflower as well. Villagers hesitate initially, but later on they decide to add a few vegetables to make the stone soup better. Different vegetables addition thickens the soup, comes out to be tasty. All the villagers hesitated around the soldier. He cracks the jokes and flatters the magistrates by telling anecdotes that are short stories based on his personal experience. Befriends everybody. Now the soup is relished. Everyone praises it. Burgomaster says the soup is exquisite. A portly merchant says it's magnificent. A woman with the wart on the nose says it's a really tasty soup. And the other woman says this is on the top of the Great Wall. And someone says, Alexander the Great, do you mean? Now, this is the miracle and marvelous gift from China for the whole village. And the soldier chuckled to himself as he had a very tasty soup for himself. Thickens the soup, comes out to be a tasty soup. All the villagers now are seated around the soldier. He is cracking the jokes and flatters the magistrates by telling anecdotes, that is, short stories based on personal experience. Now, everybody is friend to him. Now, the soup is relished. Everyone praises it. Burgomaster says it's exquisite. A portly merchant says it's a magnificent soup. Someone says real tasty, and the other one says it is on the top of the Great Wall. And one woman says this is the soup Alexander the Great has drank. Now, at last, all of them enjoyed the soup. The soldier also enjoyed the soup and chuckled himself. Here are some short question answers from this story. First one is, how did the soldier react to the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers? And the answer is, the soldier was not disheartened to the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers. He was very intelligent. He decided to prepare stone soup for himself. Now, second question is, what according to the soldier was the specialty of the stones? And the answer is, according to the soldier, the stones were presented to him by a saint as a gratitude for saving his life from the wild elephants. These two stones had the power to brew for him, to make for him the most delicious soup that ever a man tasted. Third one is, why did the villagers initially hesitated to add anything to the soup? The villagers initially hesitated to add anything to the soup because they didn't want to admit their curiosity and make a fool of themselves. Now your homework is learn 3 question answers of lesson 6. Have a nice day.